Grow a lush kitchen garden, diverse vegetables, and vertical farming at home. Are you dreaming of plucking fresh, chemical-free vegetables right from your balcony or backyard? First, planning. Whether you've got a sunny window, a balcony, or a small yard, there's a vegetable that's perfect for your space. Outdoor gardening is a game-changer for small spaces. You can use trellises, hanging baskets, or even repurpose an old bookshelf. The secret to vibrant veggies is in the soil. Peat, compost, and vermiculite mix provides excellent drainage and nutrition. Now, the fun part, planting. We'll start with seedlings. Remember, spacing is key in vertical gardening. Consistent watering is crucial, especially in vertical setups where soil dries out faster. A drip irrigation system or a simple watering routine in the morning can do wonders. The moment we've all been waiting for, harvest time. Leafy greens can be harvested in just a few weeks. And there you have it, your very own vertical kitchen garden, bursting with a variety of fresh, healthy vegetables. Happy gardening!